Welcome to another Talent LMS tutorial. After you've imported your users, you'll need to put them into groups so you can assign courses to them all at once. There are 3 ways to add users to a group: manually, automatically, or by asking users to self-register. Let's look at them one by one. Log in as an administrator, go to Groups, and click Add Group. Give it a name and add a description. Select Add Group to save your changes. Let's move on to the most important step of the process. To add courses to your group, click Courses and hit the plus button. Now you are able to add users to your group, but in order for them to be assigned to these courses, you must synchronize them with the group's courses either one by one or by using mass actions. You can also get users to self-register to a group. Go back to Groups, select the one that interests you, click Group Key, and either use the random group key generated by Talent LMS or type a new one that your learners will use to self-register. Click Update Group. Let's test how it works. Switch to the Learner role. From your sidebar, click Join Group and type the group key you set as an administrator before. You are now officially a member of the group and assigned to all its courses. If you want learners to register automatically to a group and its courses as soon as they sign up, switch to the administrator role, click Account and Settings, Users, and select the default group from the drop-down menu. Click Save. Now, all users added to your platform will automatically get assigned to those courses.